The Sacred Blueprint, Bridging Science and Divine Logic Doctor. Aria Quinn had spent her entire career chasing the answers hidden in the cosmos. As a renowned astrophysicist, she had deciphered the movements of galaxies and the echoes of the Big Bang, yet something was missing. Every equation she solved seemed to open a new question, one that science alone couldn't answer. Her quest had led her to a forgotten manuscript housed in a dimly lit monastery in the Himalayas. The monks claimed it was no ordinary text, but a sacred scripture that encoded the universe's blueprint, a convergence of science and divine wisdom. Intrigued and skeptical, Aria took the journey to see it for herself, a revelation in the mountains. The monastery perched precariously on the edge of a cliff, shrouded in mist and mystery. Aria was greeted by the head monk, an elderly man named Samten, who seemed to radiate a profound calm. "You've come to see the Chakralaya Sutra," he said, leading her to an ancient library. "It's not just a book, it's the language of the universe itself." The manuscript was unlike anything Aria had ever seen. It wasn't written in words, but in intricate geometrical patterns, spirals, fractals, and golden ratios that mirrored the very structures she studied in her astrophysics research. She felt a chill as she recognized one of the patterns. It was the same as the cosmic microwave background map, the fingerprint of the Big Bang. "How could an ancient text contain this knowledge?" she asked, her voice shaking. Samten smiled, "Because truth is universal. The divine and the scientific are two sides of the same coin." Unveiling the blueprint, Aria spent weeks decoding the patterns. She discovered that the text described the same principles she knew from physics: the conservation of energy, the expansion of space-time, even the strange behavior of quantum particles. But the manuscript went further. It spoke of consciousness as an integral force in the universe, a missing link in scientific understanding. One night, as she studied by candlelight, she noticed a recurring phrase in the monk's annotations: "As above, so below." It struck her that the patterns in the universe mirrored those in living beings. The spirals of galaxies, the whirls of fingerprints, even the structure of DNA. Could life itself be an echo of the cosmos? Aria's scientific mind reeled. If this were true, then the universe wasn't just a random collection of particles. It was a carefully designed system, a sacred blueprint where science and divinity intersected. The test of logic and faith. Samten sensed her unease and proposed a test. He led her to a meditation hall adorned with intricate mandalas. "The patterns here," he explained, "are designed to resonate with the frequencies of the universe. Meditate on them, and you may glimpse the truth beyond equations." Skeptical but curious, Aria sat in the center of the hall. As she focused on the mandalas, something extraordinary happened. She felt a vibration in her chest, as if her heartbeat were syncing with the rhythm of the cosmos. In her mind's eye, she saw a vision, a vast web of interconnected energy, with galaxies, stars, and living beings all tied together by invisible threads. It wasn't chaos, but a symphony, each part playing its role in perfect harmony. When she emerged from the trance, tears streamed down her face. "I saw it," she whispered. "The universe, it's alive." The final equation. Back in her lab, Aria incorporated her newfound understanding into her research. She developed a groundbreaking theory that merged quantum mechanics with consciousness, proposing that the universe was not just a physical construct, but also a manifestation of awareness. Her work sparked controversy, but also admiration. Scientists debated her findings, but they couldn't deny the elegance of her equations. The manuscript had unlocked a perspective that went beyond science and faith. A bridge between them, a new journey begins. Years later, Aria stood under the stars, gazing at the heavens with a sense of awe she'd never known before. She realized that the sacred blueprint wasn't just encoded in the universe, it was within her, and within everyone. The universe isn't just out there, she thought. It's within us, waiting to be discovered. Her journey was far from over, but now she walked it with a deeper understanding. The cosmos was both a puzzle for the scientist and a hymn for the believer, and decoding its mysteries meant embracing both logic and wonder.